Good morning, everyone. This is Sanchita Shaha. Today, I'm going to present our company, HerbsForever. Our product is Naturals Remedy. HerbsForever, a company that provides natural and effective herbal solutions for a healthier you. Our mission is to harness the power of nature to promote holistic well being. This infographic highlights the key benefits of our herbal product. It's natural and organic. It's sourced from sustainable farms. Its holistic approach is address the root cause of health issue. Expert and formulation is created by expertise herbalist and it's safe and effective, which tested and certified, and customer centric, personalized consultations and supportive. Relation for infographic design. The infographic design is inspired by nature, reflecting the purity and simplicity of our product. The use of calming colors and minimalist layout creates a sense of tranquility and trust. The clear and concise messaging ensure that the key benefits are easily understood. The incorporate of visuals such as herbs and wellness symbol enhance engagement and memorability. Why importance of social media? Social media platform offer a powerful way to connect with our target audience nowadays and influence their purchasing decision by sharing our informative content, engaging with followers and running targeted campaigns that we can actually build brand awareness, reach a wider audience, establish brand recognition, and we used to educate our customer to share valuable information about herbal remedies and their benefit, and we used to foster our community to create a supportive community of like-minded individuals, and we drive our sale in that way, that is encourage purchases through special offer and promotions. Best social media platform for HerbsForever is Instagram. Instagram is an ideal platform to promote HerbsForever. And why we are using Instagram? We are using in Instagram to visual focus for perfect for showcasing beautiful image of herbs and natural product. We engaging our content to share informative post information and inspiring code and user generated content, and in the Instagram there are strong community what we can connect with the health conscious and audience and build a loyal following, and we have the targeted advertising that reach a specific demographic and interest. Thank you so much.